Mature brown tamarind pods hang ready. Brown shells contain dark pulp for paste extraction.
Skilled harvesters pull brown pods from branches. Traditional methods ensuring pod quality. Brown tamarind pods fill collection baskets. Careful gathering protecting shell integrity. Brown brittle shells protect tamarind pulp inside. Fresh harvest ready for factory processing.
Workers select only premium brown pods. Quality sorting for superior paste production.
Harvested brown pods travel to collection center. Speed maintaining freshness for paste extraction. Collection center aggregates orchard harvest. Brown tamarind pods gathered before factory transport.
Inspector verifies pod maturity, be examining pulp. Dark brown interior indicates readiness for paste.
Quality approved brown pods loaded for factory. Only premium tamarind for dark paste extraction.
Brown tamarind pods journey to processing facility. Rapid transport preserving pulp for dark paste extraction.
Processing facility receives fresh brown pods. Modern plant where tamarind becomes dark brown paste.
Fresh brown pods unloaded rapidly. Speed preserving dark pulp for premium paste production. Brown pods enter climate-controlled facility. Controlled conditions for consistent dark paste quality. Mechanical cracking breaks brittle brown shells. Automated process revealing dark pulp inside. Brown shell cracks revealing dark tamarind pulp. Sticky dark brown mass containing seeds. Dark brown pulp separated from brittle shells. Sticky brown mass ready for paste processing.
Dark brown pulp advances to deseeding. Brown shells separated as byproduct.
Dark brown pulp shows premium quality. Rich brown color perfect for concentrated paste.
Mechanical deseeding removes seeds from dark pulp. Automated separation for smooth paste.
Seeds separate from sticky dark pulp. Seedless brown mass ready for paste concentration.
Seedless dark brown pulp advances to concentration. Smooth brown mass ready for paste production.
Smooth dark brown pulp without seeds. Rich brown color for concentrated paste.
Dark brown pulp enters mixing tanks. Preparation for paste concentration process.
Controlled water addition to dark pulp. Hydration preparing for paste extraction. Mixing blades break down dark tamarind pulp. Blending, creating uniform brown paste base. Fine filtration refines dark paste texture. Fiber removal creating smooth brown consistency. Dark brown mixture enters concentration cookers. Heat reducing water, creating thick paste. Dark brown mixture thickens under heat. Water evaporating, creating concentrated paste. Steam rises as paste concentrates. Dark brown color deepening with water removal. Concentrated dark paste advances to filtration. Thick brown mass ready for refinement. Thick dark brown paste shows premium quality. Rich glossy brown concentration perfect. Filtered paste shows ultra smooth texture. Rich dark brown consistency perfected.
Quality approved dark tamarind paste ready for jars. Premium thick brown concentrate verified.
Concentrated dark brown paste achieved. Thick glossy brown mass ready for processing. Precise temperature control during concentration. Heat management creating quality dark paste.
pH testing verifies natural acidity. Dark paste tartness within specifications.
Laboratory testing verifies dark paste quality. Multiple parameters ensuring premium product.
Color testing ensures consistent dark brown.
Rich brown shade verified precisely.
Dark brown paste advances to packaging line. Thick concentrate ready for containers.
Viscosity testing confirms paste thickness. Dark brown consistency meeting standards.
Expert tasters verify dark paste flavor. Sensory evaluation confirming quality.
Clean glass jars ready for dark paste. Clear containers displaying thick brown concentrate.
Glass jars positioned precisely under nozzles. Automated alignment for dark paste filling.
Thick, dark brown paste fills glass jars. Rich concentrate flowing precisely into containers. Multiple jars fill with dark paste simultaneously. High-speed operation, maintaining quality. Jars filled with dark paste advance to capping. Thick brown concentrate ready for sealing.
Automated capping seals dark paste in jars. Hermetic closure protecting thick brown concentrate.
Filled jar displays concentrated dark paste. Rich brown concentrate visible through clear glass.
Filled tub contains concentrated dark paste. Bulk packaging showing thick brown concentrate. Glass jars and tubs both package dark paste. Different formats for customer needs. Labels applied to jars displaying paste. Branding on containers showing dark concentrate. Automated labeling ensures perfect placement. Consistent branding at production speed.
Labeled containers showing professional presentation. Dark paste products ready for coding.
Date codes mark every dark paste jar. Traceability from production to consumer.
Shipping cases prepared for paste jars. Secondary packaging protecting glass containers.
Glass jars showing dark paste loaded carefully. Clear jars displaying thick concentrate arranged in case.
Precise torque seals dark paste jar. Airtight closure maintaining freshness.
Sealed jars display dark tamarind paste beautifully. Thick brown concentrate visible through clear glass.
Plastic tubs provide bulk packaging option. Larger containers for dark paste concentrate.
Dark brown paste fills plastic tubs. Thick concentrate for bulk packaging. First case layer establishes stable base. Dark paste cases arranged systematically.
Robotic precision stacks paste cases. Automated pattern ensuring load stability.
Layer by layer building creates stable pallet. Dark paste cases stacked to optimal height. Interlocking pattern creates structural stability. Engineering optimizes paste case load. Completed pallet reaches optimal shipping height. Dark paste cases perfectly stacked. Automated wrapper prepares to secure pallet. Dark paste case load ready for protection. Clear stretch film anchors to pallet base. Transparent protection, allowing product visibility.
Spiral wrapping unifies paste cases. Transparent film securing entire load.
Complete wrapping protects paste pallet. Transparent film with products partially visible.
Forklift begins transport to warehouse. Dark paste pallet moving to storage.
Smooth hydraulic lift raises paste pallet. Professional handling protecting glass jars inside.
Internal logistics moving paste to warehouse. Systematic transport to storage area. Climate-controlled warehouse protects paste quality. Professional storage facility maintaining conditions. Temperature monitoring maintains optimal storage. Dark paste quality protected by climate control.
Digital systems track every paste pallet. Real-time inventory management active. System directs paste pallet to optimal location. Organized warehouse navigation.
Strategic placement considers rotation and access. Paste pallet stored systematically.
Dark paste protected in climate storage. Inventory safely secured until distribution.
Organized warehouse protects paste inventory. Multiple pallets systematically stored.
First in, first out ensures paste freshness. Systematic rotation in warehouse. Environmental systems monitor continuously. Paste storage conditions maintained precisely. Security systems protect paste inventory. Complete monitoring preventing loss or contamination. Order fulfillment begins from organized inventory. Dark paste pallets selected for customers.
Selected paste pallet retrieved carefully. Order fulfillment operation proceeding.
Loading dock organizes paste shipments. Orders staged systematically for distribution. Final inspection before paste shipment. Quality verified before leaving facility.
From brown tamarind pods to concentrated dark paste. Complete transformation journey. Journey complete from tamarind orchard to concentrated paste. Rich dark brown paste ready for distribution.